Hey inFIT, I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial of how to join a live stream class. So go to the website or the inFIT app and sign up for a class like you normally would. So I'm going to sign up for class Sunday morning. All right, I am added. Oh, unable to. I'm already signed up for that class. So let's jump in and see what a live stream class looks like. All right, once you've signed up for the class, up to 30 minutes before the class, you'll get an email. So here is my email. And you're gonna wanna open this email in the browser, Google Chrome. All right, so here is, it should say Google Chrome in your upper left, and Google Chrome looks like this. If you have not logged into your email from Chrome before, you might need that username and password for your email to open your email in that browser, because you're going to click on the link here. It'll say, here's your link, click to join. And then this class is already going with Liz. So we're jumping into a real live stream class that's already in progress. So when you get this screen to pop up, just go to the third thing, continue in Chrome. All right, there it is. So make sure that your microphone is muted. Your camera can be on or off. If you have good internet connection, I would suggest putting your camera on, because it keeps you more accountable, it keeps you more motivated. And I know that the instructors love to see your faces. And it's teeny tiny, so don't feel like you're gonna be huge on screen. It's just a little thumbnail. So then when you're ready, click next. And again, there we are, we're in class. And look at all the people with their cameras on. Awesome. Okay, now from here, you have a couple options. You can minimize your participants so that Liz is more full screen. And then you can go up into the upper right, and here's how I got to that. There's this little arrow here, right there, okay? You click on that, and that minimizes the participants so you can just see Liz. You can also make your screen completely full screen by clicking this one up here. It'll look a little different on a tablet and a phone, but most of the buttons are the same. They just might be in a little bit different position. So here's full screen. And then if after class you want to say, hey Liz, thanks for a great class, you can unmute yourself right here and chat with your fellow participants or with Liz herself. And then again, you can click this button right here. This is your camera button, so that Liz can see you and you can see your fellow participants. So everyone's on the floor, as you can see. You can't see them, but you see their beautiful houses. And it's just tiny. They're just tiny thumbnails. So, all right, if you have any issues with your live stream, you can refresh your browser. And how you do that, there's this little circle here. If the screen were to freeze, or if you were to lose your audio or anything, you just go and click that. Now it'll bring you all the way back out. So then you just go ahead and click continue in Chrome. Gotta be in Chrome. And then it takes you to this join live stream. Make sure that your microphone is muted. Yes, it is. Camera is on or off, and that's just your speaker. So if you have a Bluetooth or some kind of an external speaker that you want to play the music and the audio through, by all means, you can set your device up to an external speaker and you'll have much better sound. So then we jump in to join the class. There it is. Looking good, Liz. She can't hear us. But she's doing this live at the studio right now, you guys. So I just encourage you to check it out. Take a class. Give it a try. You might find that you just love it. I do suggest turning your thermostat down, though, because when you're exercising at home in a 70 or 72 degree house, you get pretty warm about 10 minutes in. So kick that down a few degrees if you can before class. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know. Ashley at infit.org. Thanks so much for hanging in there with us during this shutdown. We'll see you in a few weeks.